Assalamu alaikum, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video we are going to discuss about the bedroom design. Here we have designed the one bedroom. Here in this video we will discuss about the circulation of the bedroom, the decoration material, the spaces. So here in this bedroom we can enter from here. Here is proper setting area. We can have sofas, etc. We have just covered this one for now, but here we can properly have a sofa for setting area. So here is bedroom. In the front of bedroom here is the TV table. So from here we can enter here to a closet. Here is proper clothing area, and under the clothing area there is equipment space. Here we can keep all the female equipment like the makeup accessories, etc. So from here we can enter here to toilet. Here is vanity and the toilet, and here is washing the sink area, the shower area. Let's go toward the 3D of the bedroom. So here we can enter to bedroom. Here's chair for setting purpose. Here's TV table with some decoration material. Here is chandelier. Or here is hanging two lights. The TV table. The looks the material of multiple floor, the wooden floor. Here is indoor plants. So from here we can enter to you can see here the clothing area, the cabinets, the table. Just if you want to change the room with the clothes, so here you can set easily. Here is properly the fenestration. For the purpose of fenestration, here is small slide window. So from here we can enter to the toilet. Here is vanity, the washing area, and these lights. Here's complete design for one bedroom. So if you have this type of area, so you can easily put this design into your home. Thank you for watching our video, and see you in the next episode. Have a good day, dear.